Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, I started a series in which I teach about some easy skills and how you can earn money, easy money through these skills. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create ebook covers and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. But first of all, go to Fiverr and let's see is there is a demand of this skill or not. So if you don't know about Fiverr, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platforms in the world right now. So I search here ebook cover design, and there are 26,000 plus services available. So we will choose one of the gig like this one. In standard he charged $60. Sorry, basic he charged $60, in standard $80, and premium he charged $120 for just ebook cover design. And I will teach you how you can create ebook covers like this and others. So that's it, and now let's design our ebook cover. So I'm going to use Canva for this because if I use Photoshop it will take a lot of time. In Canva I will make this in 2 to 3 minutes. So I click on this and here I write ebook cover. I click on this and I want to create a book related to keto or dieting. So I search here for keto and you can see there are different templates available. So I click on diet and it gives me more healthy lifestyle, it gives me more. So we just have to I click on this and I want to change the photo due to copyright. So here I search for keto diet and it gives me different images. So I click on this and I place this image here, and now I want to change this color in yellow. Yeah, it's look good. And I want to change the text in red because it will show the appetite. Yep. Write your name here like ABC. It's a dummy name. Get the details from your client and your ebook design is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.